Hello everyone. In this brief video, I am going to show you a couple of examples from our everyday life which are popular for their flavor, fragrance and medicinal properties. These all properties are due to presence of organic compounds which contains aldehydes or ketone functional groups. Let's explore it. So here I have taken two examples. One is cinnamon and second one is a vanilla. Both are very popular flavoring additives. Cinnamon is a spice we use as a flavoring additive for different kind of dishes. Cinnamon contain mainly the organic compound which is called cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde, it's aromatic aldehyde because it's contain a benzene ring, and this is the functional group CHO. It also contains a unsaturation. So this is the main ingredient which is responsible for the flavor in the cinnamon. Now vanilla is also a popular flavoring additive which is used for flavoring chocolates and ice creams and so many sweet items. The main ingredient which is responsible for this flavor and a fragrance, that is the vanillin. Vanillin is also an aromatic aldehyde because it contains the benzene ring. This is the aldehyde functional group. Vanillin contains another functional group, that is OH, which is a phenolic OH because this OH is connected with the benzene ring. So that's why it's a phenolic OH. And this is methoxy substituent. Methoxy is not considered as a functional group, it's a substituent. So this is another example I have taken, that is lemongrass oil. Lemongrass oil is used healthcare products to treat digestive problems, high blood pressure problem. It is also used as a popular tool in the aromatherapy to relieve stress and anxiety. So it is a very popular essential oil. Lemongrass oil, the major component is citral compound. The citral compound contains two different, citral A and citral B. Citral A, here you can see this is a cis configuration, citral A, and citral B is a trans configuration because citral A, here you can see CHO and methyl both in the same direction, and in citral B, CHO and methyl, these are in the opposite direction. So that's why it is a trans and this one is cis configuration. Here in the bottom also we can see alkene. Both citral A and citral B, this side is cis. But at the upper portion, citral A is a cis configuration and citral B has a trans configuration. So citral A and citral B is a major component which is responsible for all these kind of medicinal properties. This is the popular jasmine flower. We all know the fragrance of jasmine flower. And this is the compound which is responsible for the fragrance of jasmine flower. This is called jasmine. So jasmine is also contain a carbonyl group. It is not an aldehyde, it's a carbonyl, it's a keto group, C double bond O. It is also an aliphatic ketone because it does not have the aromatic group. So citral A, citral B, jasmine, these all are aliphatic aldehydes and ketones. Since they don't contain aromatic benzene group, that's why it is a aliphatic aldehyde, it's not a aromatic aldehyde. I hope from this example also students will be able to understand the difference between the aliphatic aldehyde and the aromatic aldehyde. Here I have taken another example of vitamin A. Vitamin A is called retinol, and here you can see vitamin A contain a functional group which is primary alcohol. This is a primary alcohol. This is also a aliphatic compound because it does not contain benzene ring. And another important point here I want to mention that this is called the conjugation, because if you look at the structure properly, it's an alternate single bond double bond. Here you can see single bond double bond, single bond double bond, single bond double bond. So these are the, here you can see this is called the conjugation. So it's a, this molecule has a conjugation. This molecule is aliphatic molecule and it contains a functional group which is primary alcohol. Now we know that vitamin A is how much important for eyesight. So exactly what happens when we take vitamin A? So vitamin A contains primary alcohol. So when we take vitamin A, it oxidizes to aldehyde functional group. We all have studied the oxidation reaction that due to oxidation primary alcohol first give aldehyde, then finally it oxidizes to acid. So here same thing is happening inside human body, that vitamin A oxidized, it give you aldehyde. Here you can see other parts are as it is. Conjugation is not changed. Nothing has been changed except the functional group. Primary alcohol oxidized to aldehyde. It is called retinol. This is important for the vision. It plays a critical role in the vision. So aldehyde will further oxidize to acid. Same thing, just functional group oxidized to acid, COH, carboxylic acid, which is called retinoic acid. Now retinoic acid serve as an intercellular messenger that affects the transcription of a number of genes. Now from this example you get to know that which is the main functional group which is present in the vitamin A, and I think you all know that carrots is one of the main source of getting vitamin A. And why vitamin A is called good for the vision? Because vitamin A retinol contain a primary alcohol, it's oxidized to aldehyde, and that is called retinol, and retinol is the important compound which is play a critical role for the vision. So this is the way the oxidation reaction is taking place inside the human body. I hope from all these examples you are able to understand that what is the importance of the functional group which is present in the organic molecules. These are the responsible for all kind of reactions which is taking place in human body or animal body or plant body, and they are also responsible for different kind of flavors, fragrance and the medicinal properties of various compounds. So organic compounds are very much connected with our everyday life. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it is useful for your study, so like my videos, share my video with your friends and subscribe my channel Chemistry Affinity. If you have any queries related to chemistry, you can send me a mail chemistry.affinity@gmail.com. Thank you.